Hi there, students. Solace, a noun and also a verb. Solace can be both countable and uncountable as a noun as well. Okay, solace is something that comforts you, that makes you feel less sad. So he found solace in his music when he was feeling down. Comfort, consolation, support. If something is a solace to you, then it makes you feel less sad. It makes you feel a bit better. So the companionship of my faithful dog was a solace to me. Okay, it was something that made me feel better, a comfort, a consolation in times of distress. And as a verb, to give comfort to. The loneliness of lockdown was very difficult for me to bear, but I found solace in the internet by making new friends and participating in activities. So solace, help and comfort when you're feeling down, when you're feeling worried. If you're feeling down, don't try to find solace in a bottle of alcohol. Because it's not good for you. It's a comfort, a consolation. To solace somebody, to give them help and comfort when they're feeling down. She gave me a hug to solace me after the death of my friend. To help and comfort someone when they're feeling sad. Yes, you might find solace in your memories of someone. Okay, so to take solace in something, to be comforted by something. So he took solace in the fact that he wasn't the only person to make this mistake. So to solace oneself, to comfort oneself with some fact. I take solace in the fact that English is notoriously difficult to spell. Okay, so comfort, consolation in a time of loneliness and distress. He gave me emotional solace. He solaced me in my hour of need. So to allay, to assuage, to make something painful, emotionally painful, less bad. Solace normally talks about emotions, not about physical things. His happy way of being solaced me. It was something that was good for my soul. It made me feel better. So, solace, how formal is this? I think I'd give it a 6.5 informality. You could just about use it in an informal conversation, but I think I might use to comfort, or to console, something like that. And this itself, as to origin, it comes from solace in French, which itself comes from solatium in Latin, consolation. Which actually in itself comes from the Proto-Indo-European root, sol, meaning mercy or comfort. Okay, so solace. There are many things that you can find solace in if you're willing to look for it. Solace is comfort, and it's something that makes you feel better. Take solace from the fact that you're not alone. It's a good characteristic if you solace your friends when they're in need, when they're going through hard times. They're in dire need of solace, in something that will comfort them, will alleviate their sorrow or misery. So you could find solace in the fact that one day this epidemic will end. Good question. How do you measure solace? It's a very difficult thing to measure, if not impossible. I always follow my daily routines. I take solace from them. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Not I'll feel you soon. Bye for now. Solace.